Taking inputs, we're given to understand that in this entire shooting case, the crime branch is now going to question Lawrence Bishnoi, who's behind bars. Lawrence Bishnoi to be quizzed in Sabarmati jail. That's the update that we are getting. So Lawrence Bishnoi could be questioned in this incident of firing outside Salman Khan's residence in Bandra, in which two individuals have been nabbed from Gujarat, and Lawrence Bishnoi could be questioned. We have Kumar Ankit on the broadcast with us. Ankit, the update coming in that Lawrence Bishnoi could be quizzed in this matter, since reports suggest that Anmol Bishnoi and Rohit Godara played a key role and that they in fact plotted this.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Like after the incident, after the 8 to 9 hours of the incident, there was a Facebook post on the of the profile name of Anmol Bishnoi, and on that post, it is a clear-cut responsibility which was taken by the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, which is clearly mentioned that this is just a teaser, and this is the first and final warning for Salman Khan. That is clearly mentioned in that post. And apart from that, on that post, Mumbai police did the verification. They got the IP address, and that IP address is from Canada. And before that also, when there was a threat and there was a letter which was received to Salman Khan, on that note also, Mumbai crime branch have already recorded the statements of Lawrence Bishnoi in this case. So definitely right now also, Mumbai crime branch is going to record the statement of Lawrence Bishnoi, who is right now in this Gujarat jail. So yes, on the one hand, where they are going to record the statements, on the other hand, they have two accused. Those are arrested in this case. So definitely they are trying to connect each and every dots. Are they part of any gangs? Are they part of Bishnoi gangs? Because they have took the responsibility of these IP addresses. But very importantly, how they have traveled, how they have planned all this thing. Is that before that, is they came here in Galaxy? Is there any recce has been done by by these two accused? All these things where investigation needs to be done, because there are many questions which is still unanswered, and that will definitely will be revealed by the investigation. How they have traveled. Apart from that, the bike
also,
with
yes,
the pistol from.
Also in the past, Ankit, several threats have been issued to Salman Khan, in which Lawrence Bishnoi's name has always come up. Ankit, thank you very much for getting us the details. Hiten, stay on with us. Politics has also begun on this issue, with the opposition now questioning the law and order situation. In fact, the Uddhav Sena has questioned the law and order situation in the state of Maharashtra.
जिस तरीके से खुलेआम ये गुंडागर्दी शुरू है, इस सरकार को कोई अधिकार नहीं है सत्ता चलाने का। इनमें कोई ताकत नहीं है। ये गुंडागर्दी कोई भी कहीं भी जाकर क्या गोलीबार करता, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, और इनमें हिम्मत नहीं है उनको रोकने की।
So you heard Uddhav Thackeray slamming the government, questioning the law and order situation, saying that the criminals have been emboldened, that they are carrying out such attack in broad daylight. There is no fear of law, and he is holding the government, the establishment in Maharashtra, responsible for this. On one hand, there's been a breakthrough. Two individuals, Vicky and Sagar, the accused who were involved in the firing incident, have been nabbed from Gujarat. They are currently being interrogated by the cops, and we're given to understand they'll be brought to Mumbai soon. On the other hand, politics has also begun on this issue, with Uddhav Thackeray questioning the law and order situation, saying there's no fear of law and that criminals are roaming freely, carrying out such acts of crime. The family, meanwhile, has also issued a letter saying that they have been taken aback. This is not a publicity stunt, and that they are cooperating completely with the police in their investigation. So, multiple developments taking place as far as the firing incident outside Salman Khan's residence is concerned. We're also given to understand that Lawrence Bishnoi could be interrogated. Lawrence Bishnoi currently is lodged in the Sabarmati jail, and that he could be interrogated is what we're given to understand. Let's listen in.